Welcome back to the channel, you guys. So today we're doing a little DIY project, just using a frame. This one is what's called a floating frame, which is really great because then if you want to do any kind of dimension, you have room to do that with. But you can use any frame that you have or any frame that you want. We also need some gift cards, a corner rounder if you like to use one, some glue dots or whatever glue that you like, as well as some pattern paper. You're going to be gluing or adhering these gift cards to the paper, and then some dimensional sticky tape. You may also need some scissors. You can use scissors in place of the corner rounder, or a trimmer to cut your paper as well. So for the sake of the video, I've already cut down the pattern paper to size. I think my frame is about a 9.5 by 9.5. As a whole, I know it said a 5 by 7, but that is because they have it advertised to put a 5 by 7, and then you can put some other little floating things in there or whatever. But with most things, you can use it how you see fit, and I'm gonna do my own thing. So I'm just going to corner round this pattern paper here. And then we're gonna lay it down like this. And the gift cards, my frame can fit about 12 of them. You can do this with a smaller frame, you can do this with a bigger frame, and fit however many that you would like. I am also going to use a little bit of walnut stain distress ink and just ink the edges here just for a little extra dimension. Kind of an old school inker, and I'm just going to take it like this and do my thing here. You can use the little ink dabber or whatever, and I do use that sometimes, but if I'm just doing the edge of paper, it doesn't have to be perfectly blended or whatever. I'm just trying to get some edging. This works just as well. All right. So I've kind of laid this out what I thought would look great. Try to bring it back into frame here. And as you see, this one doesn't really fit on my edge of the frame. So I had kind of thought about turning it this way. You could also cut it if that's what you'd like to do. This one is like my most favoriteest one, not a decaf day. But I do have some really great other ones. This one here is a special edition. This one here is a 2014 limited edition. Some of these ones are from Seattle, which is where I live close by to, so this is kind of fun and special for me. I also have one of the Space Needle, which is really cool. So just gonna keep placing these along here on my frame. You can kind of lay them out however you would like. And then this one is really cute. This is the 2014 edition. 2014 was a really good gift card year, apparently. That's when most of mine are from. And then I have these ones as well. I really like this cute little keychain one. Actually used that for quite a while. And then this one is also 2014 limited edition. Again, 2014 was just a really good gift card year for me. I'm gonna put this one in the middle, I think. And then this one here. So my plan now is just to glue them down. You can add any kind of little ephemera or little sayings or some stamped images or some die cuts or whatever you would like to do. I'm just going to glue them down and then put the frame back together and hang it up, and it'll be a great little wall decor piece. a completed version of my frame. I hope you guys have liked this quick little DIY of a cute way to save some of your gift cards that you really like the picture or look of, or just want to cherish the memory from the gift that you got from getting them. Someone special gave them to you, maybe they're special editions, whatever it is. If you're just a good upcycler, recycler, all of these things would be reasons why you might make this project. And I'm excited to hang it on my wall. I might eventually add some cute little stamps or something behind it, not totally sure yet, but for now it's ready to go on the wall. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and share this video if you liked it, and we'll see you next time.